Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. The City of Prescott is excited to announce that the 2025 Veterans Day Parade will be held in downtown Prescott on Tuesday, November 11, 2025 at 11 a.m. This year's parade theme is Celebrating America's Patriots, 250 Years of Military Service. The City of Prescott is inviting parade entrants from the community to compete in 7 categories this year. Each entry category will have a first place winner, and all entries will compete for a Best Overall Award. The categories are non-profit organizations, fraternal organizations / military organizations, motorized groups, music, marching units, hospital entries by veterans, and commercial / business. Participation in the parade is open to everyone and all are welcome. Individuals, businesses, organizations, and groups interested in participating in the parade are asked to return your entry form no later than October 20th, 2025. There is no fee to enter, and application forms and rules can be found on the city website. Our Public Works Department has commenced with the fiscal year 26 Pavement Preservation Projects, which includes pavement maintenance and preservation operations for 2 connected projects along sections of Prescott Lakes Parkway and SR 89. Prescott Lakes Parkway from SR 89 to SR 69 is scheduled as follows. September 3rd and 4th is scheduled for pavement repairs. September 8th through September 18th, there will be a 2-step pavement preservation application. From September 24th through September 26th, raised utility covers to the finished road grade and roadway striping will occur. The schedule for SR 89 from Yavpe Connector to the Willow Lake Road roundabout will begin next week in September. Tuesday, September 2nd to Friday, September 5th, pavement repairs will take place. For both projects, additional scheduling information will be provided closer to the dates of occurrence. This work is highly weather dependent and subject to change. During the project, you can expect crews working from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. with night work performed as needed. Flagging operations and temporary traffic controls, temporary street closures, lane restrictions, reduced speeds, construction noise, travel delays, and crews will work to maintain business access as best as possible. In observance of Labor Day next Monday, September 1st, city offices and Prescott Public Library will be closed, and some services will be affected. Solid waste, trash, and recycling will not be collected, and the transfer station will be closed. The City of Prescott offices will be closed on Monday, September 1st. City offices will reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd at 8 a.m. The Solid Waste Division will not collect residential trash and recyclables on Monday, September 1st. As a result, trash and recycling collection will be postponed by 1 day this week. Residents are requested to place their containers at the curb by 6 a.m. on the following business day. Additionally, commercial routes for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will also experience a 1-day delay. However, commercial collections will proceed as per the regular schedule on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The City of Prescott transfer station is closed on Monday, September 1st. The transfer station will reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Please remember to cover and contain all loads when transporting them to the transfer station. For further information, contact the City of Prescott Transfer Station at 928-777-1116 or visit PrescottRecycles.com. The City Council will be meeting this week in executive session tomorrow at 9 a.m. We will be consulting with our attorneys for legal advice on several issues, including airport leases and land acquisition, the opioid litigation, and a settlement agreement. At 1 p.m., we'll have the City Council study session. Staff will be presenting and leading the discussion regarding the 15% alternative design concept plans for the effluent and wastewater pipeline and SR 89 improvements. Our council voting meeting takes place at 3 p.m. in council chambers. The naming of the Watson Lake Park Horseshoe Courts will start off the regular agenda. We'll also have a public hearing regarding the design concept plans for the effluent and wastewater pipeline and SR 89 improvements. Finally, the city has received a request to consent to the establishment of the Mountain Club Domestic Water Improvement District. Wednesday, the Tourism Advisory Committee meets at 8 a.m. in council chambers. Thursday, Planning and Zoning Commission will meet at 9 a.m. in council chambers. Next Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, on September 2nd, the Council Subcommittee on Water Issues will meet at 9:30 a.m. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is currently seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee, which has 3 upcoming vacancies. Applicants must be a Prescott resident. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the City Council Subcommittee on Appointments following review of applications. Applications must be turned in to the city by 5 p.m. tomorrow, August 26, 2025. For more information, visit the city website at City of Prescott Boards, Commissions, and Committees Vacancies, or contact the City Clerk's office at 928-777-1437. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week, but please remember we are still under Stage 1 fire restrictions. So be very careful with any outdoor open flames and equipment that may generate a spark which could lead to a wildfire. Help us all to have an uneventful wildfire season. So be fire wise. And thanks for watching.